everybody, and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. If this is your first time visiting, then do take a moment now to subscribe to the channel and also take a look through the hundreds of videos and tutorials that are here for you already. I just wanted to do a really quick video because it's a special day today. Today is Granny Square Day, and so I just wanted to show you my granny square that I am working on at the moment. So this is just a traditional granny square, as you can see, and it's working up really beautifully in these gorgeous sunset colours. I was actually working on this, started this while I was away on holiday a couple of weeks ago, and it matched perfectly with some of the sunset photos that I was taking while we were there as well, so that was really nice. So like I say, this is just a normal traditional granny square. With my granny squares, I like to keep the gaps in between them quite small. As you can see, it is quite a tight one, and I like to turn my granny squares. I never used to turn my granny squares and I didn't have any problems with them. They always came out perfectly square. However, I know some people do struggle with keeping their granny squares straight, especially from the center as they work out. Some people struggle with the twisting and things, and obviously the best way to fix that is by turning each round, which is what I do every single time now. Even though I don't personally need to turn to keep them straight, I do it just because I find it is a habit now more than anything. But obviously they do stay absolutely perfectly square by doing that. So this one is being worked in a DK yarn with a 4.5mm hook. I'm using the Mandala Baby, and this is shade Acre Woods. So as you can see here. So I've used one so far. I've just got this little nugget left of the first ball, and then I will add this one as well. I did want it to be quite a large blanket this time, and then I'm going to pop a nice contrasting white border. So as I say, I'm using a 4.5mm for this one. I just wanted it to have a nice drape. I did start it in a 4mm, which was what was recommended, but I found it just to be a little bit stiff, so I went up that half hook side and it made all the difference. So let me know in the comments if you've got a granny square on the go at the moment, especially with it being Granny Square Day. Let me know what yarn you're using. Let me know what granny square pattern you're using, because there are so many beautiful granny squares out there. And I've shared a post on Instagram today as well, sharing some of my favourites. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base with you all, let you know that I am still here, I am still working away, and I will be back to doing normal video tutorials really soon. But I hope that everyone is having a lovely summer, and bye for now.